A new day, a new way, a new vision about me. Every day is a new chance. I wake up and I see the sun. The light tells me, start again. I smile and I feel hope. I say to myself, today is mine. I can walk in a new way. I can think in a new way. I can dream in a new way. My vision is clear. I want to grow. I want to learn. I want to share my story. Yesterday is gone. I do not stay in the past. I look at the present. I look at the future. I tell myself, be strong. I tell myself, be kind. I tell myself, be ready. These words give me power. I walk outside. I see people. I see children. I see workers. Everyone has a way. Everyone has a dream. I think, what is my way? My way is to learn. My way is to teach. My way is to help. I want to help with words. I want to help with ideas. I want to help with love. This is my vision. A new day is not only time, it is a new chance. It is a new door. It is a new road. I walk on this road. Sometimes the road is easy, sometimes the road is hard, but I keep walking. I see the sky. The sky is wide. The sky is free. I feel free too. I see the trees. The trees grow tall. The trees grow strong. I want to grow like them. I see the water. The water moves fast. The water moves slow. It always moves. I want to move too. I see the birds. The birds fly high. The birds fly far. I want to fly with my dreams. I go back home. I sit down. I write my plan. I write my vision. I will learn new words. I will learn new ideas. I will learn new skills. This is my way. I will share with friends. I will share with family. I will share with the world. Sharing makes me happy. I will not stop. I will not give up. I will not lose hope. Hope is my light. I will dream big. I will dream strong. I will dream free. Dreams make me fly. I will help others. I will help with words. I will help with smiles. Helping makes me grow. I will be kind. I will be patient. I will be brave. Kindness is my way. I will look at the stars. The stars shine bright. The stars show the way. I will follow the light. I will look at the moon. The moon is calm. The moon is soft. It tells me, rest now. I will sleep with peace. I will sleep with hope. I will sleep with love. Tomorrow will come. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new way. Tomorrow is a new vision. Tomorrow is about me. I wake up in the morning. The sun is soft. The air is cool. I feel calm. I say, this is a new day. I say, this is a new chance. I say, this is a new me. My heart feels light. I drink water. I eat bread. I smile. Simple things make me happy. I look at the window. I see the sky. The sky is blue. The sky is wide. It tells me, dream big. I walk outside. I see my street. I see my neighbors. I see children playing. Life is around me. I say hello. I wave my hand. I share a smile. A smile is small, but it gives big joy. I walk to the park. I see trees. I see flowers. I see birds. Nature is alive. I sit on a bench. I close my eyes. I listen. I hear the wind. I hear the birds. I hear my heart. My heart says, be kind. My heart says, be strong. My heart says, be true. I listen to my heart. I think of my family. They give me love. They give me care. They give me hope. I am thankful. I think of my friends. They give me laughs. They give me help. They give me trust. I am thankful. I think of myself. I give myself dreams. I give myself goals. I give myself courage. I am thankful. I stand up. I walk again. I see a child fall. I help the child. The child smiles. I feel warm. Helping is simple. Helping is strong. Helping is love. Helping is my way. I see an old man. He carries a bag. The bag is heavy. I help him. He says, thank you. I feel joy. Kindness is free. Kindness is light. Kindness is power. Kindness is my vision. I walk home. I open the door. I sit down. I write my plan. My plan is clear. I will wake early. I will smile often. I will help daily. I will dream always. I will read books. I will learn words. I will speak English. I will grow strong. I will listen to music. I will sing songs. I will dance. I will feel joy. I will share stories. I will share ideas. I will share hope. Sharing makes me rich. I will not stop. I will not fear. I will not give up. I will walk forward. I will dream of peace. I will dream of love. I will dream of light. Dreams guide me. I will look at the stars. The stars shine bright. The stars show the way. I will follow the way. I will look at the moon. The moon is calm. The moon is soft. It tells me, rest now. I will sleep with peace. I will sleep with hope. I will sleep with love. Tomorrow will come. Tomorrow is new. Tomorrow is fresh. Tomorrow is bright. Tomorrow is mine. I say a new heart. I say a new hope. I say a new me. This is my vision.